Hello everyone, so today it's going to be a haul video, and it is this big old box right here, which is from Killstar. So over the Easter weekend they had 20% off everything, including clearance items, so I made an order. I love Killstar. But yeah, let's have a look at what we got in here. So talk amongst yourselves. Right now, okay. Okay, here we go. We're in. I actually can't remember what I bought. It was only literally a couple of days ago. But first things first. Ooh, okay. First things first, I bought a t-shirt. This is literally the first time I've ordered like an item of clothing from Killstar, which hasn't been socks. I don't know. I kind of never trust their sizing for how it's gonna fit, but we'll see with this one. Ooh, okay, that's actually gonna fit me. Oh my god, that's amazing. It's this one. I am so happy with that. That is actually gonna fit me. I'm in heaven. So yeah, it's got this gothic beauty on it. Down there it says, "In Goth we trust." Yeah, it's a little bit corny, but yeah, it's got this design on it. It's supposed to be a relaxed fit, and it definitely is. That's perfect. I'm so happy, because with stuff like this I'm never sure of sizing. Like, it says one thing and then you actually get something and it's something completely different. So I'm very, very happy with that. That's amazing. I'm so happy. Okay, next item, I got this, which is for my denim jacket, which I have. It is a back patch. So yeah, I'm going to put this on my denim jacket. It says "No Chill," and then it's got this building on fire. It's really cool. I like that a lot. I think this was only like £3 or something. So yeah, that's a bargain. Love that. I got some socks. I've only got one pair of Killstar socks, but I did really enjoy them. They're very, very comfortable. And yes, I spotted these. They're kind of like skeleton ones. I'm gonna just open them because I'm not sending them back because they were only like £2. Yeah, they've got skeleton on here. Oh my god, why is this such a chore? So they got the nice frilly bit on here, but then like when you put them on, it's got the skeleton foot, which is really cool. Really, really thick and nice. Very, very high quality Killstar socks. I love Killstar socks. Then I have two things that go together. These two. I can smell these already. Beautiful. Okay, so this is, ooh, it was almost a broken item. It isn't now. So this is an incense burner. So it says Killstar on the bottom. If it'll focus, there you go. And it's basically just a witch's pot, and then you fill it with like either salt or sand or something, and then you stick your incense sticks in it and burn it, and it just looks really witchy and cool. I'm gonna put that there. That's where that's going. And then I got some incense sticks. These ones are called Sabbath incense. I can't remember what these were supposed to smell like. I think they were like a floral thing, and they smell floral. I'm gonna open one. I mean, I'm sure that you've seen an incense stick before, but I can't remember how many are in here. I think it was like $3.99 this, and ooh, they're pretty. There's loads of them. Oh, that smells beautiful. Okay, I've never actually had like incense sticks that you actually burn. I've had like the ones that you put like in the liquid, but you don't burn. But yeah, they're beautiful. I can't wait to try those out. Putting them there. Then I got a notebook. Again, this was like £3 something. Oh, I really like this. So yeah, it's like a coffin beautiful coffin, says Killstar on it, and yeah, it's just a plain notebook, but yeah, I like that a lot. That's really nice. I'm gonna start putting stuff back here because I just have. Then I got this. Oh my god, this is a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. This is an air freshener and it is mahoosive. And it is a, I don't know if you can see it, it's a moon. It's called Dark Side Air Freshener. It smells of vanilla, but it says that it is the smell of not giving a fuck. I didn't know that's what vanilla was, but it's the smell of not giving a single fuck apparently. So, I mean, I've got some Febreze over here that is vanilla scented, but they don't market it with the scent of not giving a fuck. But that's very nice. A bit big, very big. Then I got another patch. It's this one. It is a cat, which I can't open. Talk amongst yourselves. Oh, it's so pretty. So it's this little patch, just like a Sphinx cat. It's really cute. Love that. Beautiful. I think there's just one more thing, which I can't get out of the box. Here we go. Is that everything? Yes. Then I got some shoes because you can never have enough shoes. And yeah, I ordered these shoes before. They were more expensive before, and I ordered them in a normal size, but they were really, really tight fitting. I've ordered a size up now, and they were cheaper now as well than what they were when I ordered them previously. But yes, they are the Evelyn pumps. So, as I said, oh, these look massive. Why did they not do half sizes? Because these look huge. I might be wrong, because the other ones didn't look small, but they were tiny. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh my god, they've wrapped these up so well. And they are these. They are beautiful. They've got the pentagrams on them, and then they've got these bat wings, and then the pentagrams in here. I really hope these fit me because they're so beautiful, and they were only like 15 quid, which I think is a bargain. But yeah, I really hope they fit me. They're really, really nice. So yeah, that is my Killstar haul. I've never done a big Killstar haul before. In fact, I don't think I've ever shown you anything that I bought from Killstar on the channel before. But I do have this, which is also from Killstar. It's my magical AF. What are these called? What are these things called? What the fuck are they called? Tapestry? Tapestry. It is a tapestry. Well done, Sarah. Tapestry. And I love it. So yeah, that is everything that I got. If you like this video, want to see more videos like it, please subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you so much for everyone who commented on the last video. You're all awesome. You're beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna go now, and I will see you all again very, very soon. Adios.